Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send message on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, install your Tinder app and go ahead, open it up, make sure you're signed in as well. Now right over here, if you go to this home section, you will be able to simply swipe profiles left and right. Swiping left simply means that you're not interested, and swiping right means that you're interested in that person. Once you have gotten a potential match for you, you will get this, right? It's a match. Once you have got the match with that person, you can go back and go to this chat section of yours, and now you will find both of the profile on top. You can simply choose to tap on the profile, and now you can write any message to them and the message will be sent. And not now, once you have sent them the message, you can also choose to enable the notification, so whenever that person texts, you will be able to get notified and come over here and have a chat. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Go to profile, go to home section, get a match, go to chat section, and simply write a text to them and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.